Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Big City Crypto Community. So guys, as you know, I always come with available and 100x gems project. So also we are gonna talk about new awesome project. This project name is Chennai called DRN token. So first of all, before starting the videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon for upcoming updates and videos. This project, all links provided in the description, you can check out. First of all, I provide Crypto. What is Crypto? Company Limited is a emerging company focusing on the blockchain and encrypting technology. It is a main business covers GameFi, cryptocurrency, NFT, BaaS platform, other fields. We are committed to promoting the innovation of application of blockchain technology, providing customers with safe, efficient, high quality solutions, providing user with rich, interesting, valuable service experience, and the building more open, transparent, decentralized, and digital economic ecosystem, opening and social metaverse, creating a new of era of digital. So you can check out the project is partner very authentic and 100x real project partners. You can check out, they are all influencer and all company where you am working with him. And now I click on GameFi. After GameFi you can check out Shinai. I click on more option. After clicking the more, you can check out Shinai. What is Shinai? Shinai is the world first 3D large scale multiplayer online role playing mobile game or based on blockchain technology. The game will be Worldview is based on UTEM's and original IP metaverse canonic, which integrates traditional classic culture and feature fantasy element and canonical multiple competitive models such as single player. Dangle, you can also check out about Shanai Full. It's an amazing first 3D large scale multiplayer game. So you can check out Worldview. What is Worldview? Overview, world composition, strength system, ethnic system. Worldview in the West University as in fundamental laws and power, virtuality and reality are interpreted. Destruction and rabbit are repeated, and light and darkness matters of balance. All civilization are using their own method, praying for our gods, exploring the soul and traditional research, etc. You can check out full information about Shinai. You can also check out gameplay. What is gameplay? World boss reach a certain level of the challenge in the world boss, and boss not only the you rat props, but you can also get tokens and NFTs. You can check out field hang up, unlimited hang up in the world when you are tired from playing an experience. Gold coin, customer props, and kill monster above level 200 have a chance to get tokens. And again, trial single players invite friends to team up to challenge, increase the drop income every time you have killed the boss, and you can get props and advanced equipment. You can check out this project roadmap. Phase 2, phase 3, every phase was showing open era function, internal test with housing deleting file, rich basic gameplay, open multiple advanced copy, open arena function, add mentoring task, open a guild war scene, more exciting games. You can check out full information about this project. You can also check out DRN token. So now you can see that DRN token at more than $10 price, 12.78. Their project growing very fastly, and this is a 100x gem project. Don't miss it. So you can check out this project. The now price is 12.779 USDT. This project already listed in MEX, Bitmart, Dex Trade, and Coin Store. So it's very amazing project. You can check out. I tell one thing. So guys, if you can check this project, last time they will yesterday this project going very up. So because this project is very growing fast, you can check out available USDT. If you want to buy, you can check out the full amount, login and sign up. You can also check out Bitmart. This is Bitmart trade view. You can check out full trade view about DR and USDT, and you can also check out the DEX trade. So this is the DEX trade. MEX Bitmart is very popular exchange where this project already listed, and you can also check out the project 12.88 now, the 24 hours change, and 24 hours high. This is 12.98, $12.98. 24 hours low, $12, 20.1 to 40. 24 volume DRN, 24 volume USDT. You can also check out 17,000 USDT, and you can also check out full detail about this project. This is a coin store. You can also check out this project list already listed on CoinStar. You can also check out the price of the DRN on the coin store, and this is provide full information about this DEX trade. So guys, you can also check out Crypto DRN play to earn tokens. DRN is the play to earn tokens on Shanai. The supply of DRN is fixed in the beginning the game, and each token is minted which when a player completes a specific task in the game, it may be generated as reward in percent multiple dangerous raid content, completing a main side quest and winning PBT battles. The number of DRN generated per week limited, and DR must be used when performing a specific task. You can check out wallet. You can also use Pet Island wallet. You can also check out the Shanai and download. You can also download the project support wallet, MetaMask, M token, Token Pocket, Safe Parler, and other. You can also check out the support token, and this is DRN Plate 1. You can also click on news. After clicking the news, club mining coming soon. You can also check out the after Shanai game if launched. Dividend from the Super Noble company will be launched. Club coming soon. The activity club mining activities has following future high return club mining strategy. You can also check out the club mining is coming soon. Stake DRN, lock the profit and increase value stability, high return, zero risk, multiple risk, quick revenue. And you can also check out the there's for high returns club mining still increase the burning and DRN being sustained. Zero risk club mining is automatically expected smart contract with just one click without any risk multiplier. You can choose a stake period that suits you, such as 30 days, 80 days, 16 days for 100 etc, which can be made your mining quick revenue. After staking, you can mining earning every day starting from the next day. They will be distributed to your account after the staking period. Club mining activity essentially invite you to the build the U60, and you can also check out this full information on this club mining. And guys, also you can check how we are launched Club before many players invited and friends and huge profit together in Club. If you want to make money, click here to club club.crypto crypto news details. Club mining January 6th official launch. Let's earn DR, and you can check out background in the 15,000 here of the started era in the Noha was spoken in the mountains, and that was attacked the crew people and the Long King. You can also check out the current origin energy alpha 1 mining cycle is 30 days, 16 days, 119 days, 180 days, 360 days, and 713 days. During the mining period, you can see the connotation of item exchange rate. 1 iron pickle, 1 DRN token can purchase the DRN. 1 mining 100 energy stones, 1 DRN hour can be exchanged the DRN, and mining start 1 model if you are by pixel. And you can officially calculate it the next day. And club mining, you can also check out the club mining 1 DRN. You can also check out this project already listed: MEX, Bitmart, CoinStore, DexTrade, all link provided. You can check out the full information about this project, and the images be already added. You can also check out this full information, and has been always committed and providing user with a more devisable interesting digital assets experience. We believe that in have mining let's mine energy stones in Club and DRN token. So DRN token will be go to moon. It's 100x gems in 2024. So I hope you never miss this project. And one thing before, and I tell many projects, but this project is very different because it's already before listing this project listed on many exchange, and it's 100x gems. So don't miss this project. And one more thing guys, do your research before investing, because it's not a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so do your research before investing. And guys, one more thing, all Shinai social media accounts provided. You can check out the Twitter of Shinai account, Shinai Game FIDR, and Play to Earn MRG, a unique 3D fantasy and Martel MRG. Simply click on follow. After following a Crypto.io game, you can also check out DRN by playing powered by U-Turn technology. You can also check out task on airdrop Shinai. Click on task on XYZ, and you can also check out the task on XYZ. This will be successfully open, and you can check out full information provided. I go back, and the post of additional reward website link, Crypto airdrop link. You can also join this airdrop task on airdrop Shanghai. 2000 USD is a very big amount. Refer, invite friends that earn more DRN. And you can also check out Crypto mining latest announcement, everything, every latest update provided on their Twitter account. You can also follow this task on, go to task on. After going, I skip everything because I opening first time $200 DRN 2000 celebrating Dragon Year of 2024 Shanghai Game FI. First of all, join Shanghai Game on Telegram, simply Telegram, then click on link and verify. After follow Shanai Game on Twitter, then click on verify. You can also will be get some points. Visit and then subscribe YouTube channel of Shanai Games. This is the YouTube channel of Shanai Games. Simply click on subscribe and click on all option. You will be successfully subscribed. After click on verify and visit and register UM club, and then you will be get 10 MI. Download Shanai Game FI, create your order. Simply click on submit, enter your registered email address, and simply then click submit. It will be worked. Then proof work, leave us 5 star on Google Play Store. They will simply place you a screenshot of 5 star giving on the Play Store. After clicking submit wallet address, download wallet, submit wallet address, click on submit. This will be start earning. You will be get some reward. So this is a Telegram channel Shanai Game FI. I don't have Telegram in my PC. You can join their Shanai Telegram group. You can also follow and ask. I tell everything about this project because it's a 100x 200x gem. If you miss this project, you will be lose everything in your life because it's an amazing opportunity for beginners. So